Hi kids! Do you want to know about the letter sound? What letter shall we learn today? Oh, it's a letter M. Let's sing the letter M song all together. Letter M reads Letter M reads Letter M reads for the big M and small m. M is for monkey. M is for mouse. M is for moon. M is for milk. M is for mushroom. M is for mop. M is for mug. Letter M reads Letter M reads Letter M reads for the big M and small m. This is the letter M. This is big letter M and this is small letter m. M reads monkey. M reads monkey. M reads monkey. M reads monkey. M is for monkey. Monkeys are naughty creatures who love to play around and terrorize people and other animals. There are around 260 species in the world. Most of them live in the trees, except for a few who seem to prefer the ground like baboons. In general, monkeys are thought as a highly intelligent animals. Most species of monkeys have tails, except for the mighty ape. Monkeys of all types have completely different diets, but the most common food that all of them eat are seeds, flowers, eggs, fruits, leaves, nuts, and small insects including spiders. They'll pretty much eat anything that smells good or bad. They are very sociable, and they have a mostly friendly attitude towards humans. Some of them, though, are a bit naughty as they can cause a lot of damage to crops. They're seen as pests. Monkeys mostly live in jungles. Now, this is quite something. Monkeys have feelings, just like us. They can feel love, fear, and compassion. They can also hate things too. So be aware and make sure to keep on their good side. This is cute. Monkeys hold hands and groom each other with lots of affection and love. Now you know all about the world of monkeys. They are super cute, yet super naughty too. But remember, they're very clever, so watch out. Here are some pictures that begin with the letter M, like mouse, moon, milk, mushroom, mop, and mug. M reads mouse. M reads mouse. M reads moon. M reads moon. M reads milk. M reads milk. M reads mushroom. M reads mushroom. M reads mop. M reads mop. M reads mug. M reads mug. Let us see how to write the letter M. Big letter M and small letter m. This is how to write the letter M. Let's start with standing line. 1. And then slanting line. 2. And then another slanting line. 3. And then standing line. 4. Then the small letter M, let's start with standing line. 1. And then next is the curved line. 2. And then another curved line. 3. Again, let's practice writing letter M. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small letter M. 1, 2, 3. Kids, can you practice too? Write the letter M on the air. Are you ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Small m. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small m. 1, 2, 3. Good job, kids! Now, can you say the sound of the following letters? What is the sound of the letter A? Very good. The sound of A is A. What is the sound of letter B? Very good. The sound of B is B. What is the sound of letter C? Very good. The sound of C is K. What is the sound of letter D? Very good. The sound of D is D. What is the sound of letter E? Very good. The sound of E is E. What is the sound of letter F? Very good. The sound of F is F. What is the sound of letter G? Very good. The sound of G is G. What is the sound of letter H? Very good. The sound of H is What is the sound of letter I? Very good. The sound of I is I. What is the sound of letter J? Very good. The sound of J is J. What is the sound of letter K? Very good. The sound of K is K. And what is the sound of letter L? Very good. The sound of L is L. Good job, kids! Kids, can we sing the letter M song for the last time? Letter M reads Letter M reads Letter M reads for the big M and small m. M is for monkey. M is for mouse. M is for moon. M is for milk. M is for mushroom. M is for mop. M is for mug. Letter M reads Letter M reads Letter M reads for the big M and small m. Kids, wait for more letter sound. Bye-bye!